Hello everyone. So are you guys looking to learn video editing or in particular Davinci Resolve to advance your skills and to start off with your video editing career? So if you're looking to learn video editing or Davinci Resolve, so you're in the perfect place to learn that. So in this tutorial, I'll be explaining you guys about the Davinci Resolve, what it basically is, and I'll start it from the beginning if you are a beginner or an advanced. So first, lessons which I have created. I have almost covered all the basic things in DaVinci Resolve. If you're a beginner, it's quite a good deal for you. If you're an advanced, we also do have the advanced lessons in the later stages of the class. So you can just skip it in front if you are already in the beginner stage. So let's see what all we are going to learn in this tutorial. So first up, I'm going to teach you guys about what DaVinci Resolve is, what type of video editing software, what are the pros and cons of this software, and I'll also be telling you guys what are its specialities and how it's different from other video editing software like Wondershare Filmora. And I'll also show you guys how we can create a new project before we start working in this interface. I'll also be explaining you guys how we can basically import and media and how we can actually cut and trim that video before we start working. And after that, we'll be learning about how we can basically add a B-roll footage or a secondary roll footage. And we'll also learn about the music in DaVinci Resolve, how we can actually manage the music, how we can link clips and unlink clips, how we can actually delete the primary audio, and after that, we'll be learning like how we can add different kind of text and different kind of style in our titles, how we can add many type of transitions which is offered by DaVinci, which will give your video a quite professional look. And we'll also learn about different kind of effects in DaVinci Resolve, what we can use in our video. And we'll also learn about how we can adjust audio in a particular place, or if you want to adjust the whole audio in the panel, how we can do that, how we can adjust the primary and the secondary audios, how we can adjust the background musics. We'll also be learning about that. And after that, we'll be learning about the color grading, which is a very important feature, which is quite different from the other applications. So color grading is quite good in DaVinci Resolve, which I have also explained. And after that, we'll be learning after working everything how we can export the media and we can get it into our system or we can upload it directly to our YouTube or Vimeo accounts. And after that, we'll be learning these are few advanced options. I have shown you guys some text effects which we can use in DaVinci Resolve, which will give our video a professional look and it will look quite standard. And under that, we have like how we can actually put a text above a video. So we'll learn about that. How we can actually put any kind of glitch effect in our text or in our titles. And sometimes we do see while watching movie, we do have a typewriter effect. In one corner, they'll have a typewriter effect. We'll also learn about that. We'll learn about how we can put a neon effect and a flickering effect in our video. And I'll also be teaching you guys how to put a cinematic text in our video frame. And we'll also learn about how we can put an handwriting effect, so those will be quite interesting classes, and these are some advanced options. And I'll be also telling you guys how we can speed ramp in DaVinci Resolve. So how we can speed a particular part in the video and then again slow down the video in slow motion. Again, we can fast mode. And the last thing which we're going to learn in this tutorial is masking effects. So basically, those who work in any kind of video editing software, we know that how hard is masking effects. But here we'll be learning few masking effects which are very useful while using DaVinci Resolve. And these are some specialities which we should obviously learn to enhance and advance our video editing skill. So hope you guys will join the class. And if you guys have any kind of issues in between the class that you guys are not able to understand any part, or if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask any kind of questions because I'm always there to help you out, guys. So I'm hoping to see you all in my tutorial. Thank you, everyone.